Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. This time I'm so happy because Unpopular Market series is finally back. It's been so long. Corona शुरू होने से पहले I started this series and then the situation got worse and we had to stop right there. But now everything is opening up slowly with proper precautions. I'm going to one market which I'm so excited to go. This market which I'm talking about is way old, like it's way before Sarojini and Janpat, and this is a market where I've been going since my childhood. Like it's been there when I was not even born, and this market actually let me experience the first hand street market and local market wala vibe, and it sort of helped me get into fashion, blogging, and basically, you know, pursue this line of career, I would say. And I'm really very excited to show you guys today what is it, what happens there, what kind of clothes, and so many other things you can find there. Let's go together. Guys, I have two Jhola bags with me, as you can see, because I'm going to be shopping a lot. I also got cash from ATM, chutta paisa, because that's going to be very helpful. They don't take any Paytm or any net banking of any sort, and I don't know if they'll be taking it right now. There will be very few, like not all of them will be taking it. Also, it's evening. The market usually starts at 4, like 4 pe wo lagna start ho jata hai, and right now it's 5 p.m. So yeah, I have a lot of time to spend there and it's going to be so much fun. So we have parked our car bahar and it's just a walking distance. Also, this market is in Keshavpuram. You can easily reach here by taking a metro, and you can just get down at gate number 2 or 1 or any gate number, and basically just take a rickshaw and ask any rickshaw wala to drop you at C7 ki Friday market, or just a Friday market. They will drop you anyway and they charge you like 10-20 rupees, that's it, and you will be there in the market. Guys, the market has started. It looks so colorful. Basically, you can enter from anywhere. It has many entry points and you will reach the same place. It's very huge. It's in between colonies, and Friday ko everything gets covered with stalls like these. Like you literally cannot enter with any vehicle here, so always walk like this and always wear comfortable shoes. Guys, it's like a mini Sarojini Nagar, and before even exploring Sarojini Nagar market, I had explored this market in my childhood. I used to come here with my mom so much, and we would shop almost everything, like from home decor to beauty products to clothing, footwear, home utensils, whatnot. Like everything you will find here, and almost at same prices. So cool. Love the sale, love when they have already fixed price stock. You literally do not have to bargain. Guys, I have the same thing in half sleeves from Shein, but it's winter wala material. I'm getting it. Only rupees 150. Guys, I'm back home. I'm shooting the next day because I came home late. But anyway, okay, so the first thing is this cute little skirt which I got from that market. This is so quirky and fun in itself. This is like a bohemian gypsy vibe, like मुझे दे रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा, and this is something which you will just find randomly on internet, and then you will keep searching कि मुझे मिल जाए, and you will never find it. And this is that skirt for me, and I'm going to be keeping it in my wardrobe like हमेशा के लिए. And this is something which I got for only rupees 150, and the material is woolen actually, which is perfect for upcoming winter season. And don't forget to wear tights or any leggings inside because you'll die in cold. We don't want that. Moving on. Next thing are these pair of beautiful silver jhumki earrings, and these fold like this actually. Fancy, and it also comes with घुंघरू जो थोड़ा बज रहा है, ज़्यादा loud नहीं है, which is fine. And again, these are very lightweight, looks very fun. I can style it even with, you know, my western tops and outfits, perfect for that, and create an Indo-western look for myself. And these ones were priced at only rupees 50. I love buying accessories from these kind of markets because बहुत ही cheap में मिल जाती है, and मुझे बहुत दूर नहीं जाना पड़ता because this market is, you know, मेरे घर के पास ही, तो I'm just fine with that. Guys, you won't believe what I found in Friday market. This beautiful jumper. Oh my god. Can you believe it? This is something which is so H&M and Zara, and earlier it was so Shein. Oh, Shein se mujhe yaad aaya. I have the exact same top from Shein in half sleeves. And this is in full sleeves and ये थोड़ा woolen material है for winters and I got it for 150 and Shein पे obviously थोड़ा महंगा था, but I'm glad कि ऐसे trendy tops भी मिल रहे हैं markets में, which is so cool. So basically I got many winter stuff for myself. I also got this red high neck for myself. I already have one in black and white and red was something which I was eyeing on every Instagram model. वो बहुत ही cool और hot and sexy लगता है winters में and I was like मुझे भी चाहिए, but मुझे ऐसा वाला exact red color कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल रहा था and I just found it in Friday Market for only ₹100. Can you believe it? This fits perfectly except that the sleeves are a bit short, but I can work with that. I mean, it's all fine. I can just probably put a jacket on top of it and I'm just ready. Ooh, I also got these footwear. Behave. I also got these pretty footwear. These are only priced at ₹200 and the reason why I got them is because of its color. So pretty. Such a nice pastel color is there. It can go with every outfit of mine. And जो वो शॉपकीपर भैया थे ना, तो वहाँ पे ना सारी गर्ल्स ये ले रही थी और मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगी तो मैंने भी ले लिया. और अब मुझे रियलाइज़ हो रहा है घर आके कि if I'll go to any market, all the girls will be wearing these kind of footwear, like the same footwear probably. Like chances हो सकते हैं कि काफ़ी सारे like हम same match करें तो I don't know. I am so excited. I got so many cute trendy stuff for myself this time from Friday Market. Okay, so the next thing I got, I'm so happy and so excited, is this cute body hugging mini nude color skirt from Forever 21 actually. मतलब अंदर लिखा हुआ है टैग पे, but anyway, liking the fact that it's perfect. Like the material, no cuts are there, everything is fine, fits perfectly on me. Just slightly loose from waist because अब थोड़ा सा मैंने कम कर लिया है quarantine weight अपना. But anyway, I love it so much. I can create so many looks with this one. Winter looks, summer looks, अगले साल. But anyway, I already have planned so many outfits in my mind and I'm just so excited about it. This is something which I've been wanting to get from a very long time, but that's the thing with me. Like if I'm going somewhere for shopping, so I will pick any random बेकार चीज़ जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए and basics are something which I later think कि मुझे लेना चाहिए था. So I got this one for myself this time. Apart from clothing, you will also find some lingerie for yourself. So I got a pair of these two regular sports bra for myself for daily wear, not something for any specific purpose. And these ones are ₹100 each. Fits like a dream, perfect. The material is so good. You guys will be thinking that it is very cheap, but trust me, the quality is amazing. And I still have my very old bras and sports bra which I got from here and they are still working fine for me, trust me on that. And when I got these, I was like, I already have one from H&M. I even made a haul for this one like 1 महीने या 2 महीने पहले, and this I got like 800 का 2 pair and this is like 100 each. I was like, are you kidding me? I mean the quality is almost same, you cannot even tell the difference. I feel like I've been cheated. Oh, I also got this top. Looks so nice. I love this weird cuts which are happening at front. Fancy, always up for it. This is just a basic black top. I love the fact that it has chain from the back side, like it has a very long chain so you can easily fit yourself into this top. It's going to be very comfortable that way. And this is just a basic black top. This is not cotton, this is polyester, but from inside it's very soft and very comfortable, fitting from all the right places as you can see. And this one was priced at only ₹150 and I would say that everyone should have at least one of these kind of tops in their closet because you can literally style so many looks with them. Ooh, can you believe it? The red dress of my dream. I mean, it's the perfect length, the perfect fit, and this is something जो कि जब तुम्हें दिख जाती है ना, then you're like, अच्छा मुझे यही तो चाहिए था, but otherwise you have no clue कि तुम्हें क्या चाहिए when you're going for shopping. So this is the dress for me. I love it so much. The moment I saw it, I was like, I have to get it, but I obviously spent my complete 5-10 minutes अच्छे से देखने में कि कोई problem तो नहीं है ना इस dress में, and yeah, it's perfectly fine, no cuts, nothing. I love the mesh detail which is happening at front. Always up for it. बहुत ही ऐसे elegant देता है vibe. And overall it's like casual chic dress, so you can dress up or down in them and you can wear it both for day or night. It's totally fine. And this one again was priced at ₹150. I also got this choker set. I love that market for jewelry. I'm telling you, this is so lightweight. I got one similar like this from Sarojini. वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हैवी था. दिस इज़ वे टू लाइट एंड इसकी चेन भी बहुत लंबी है, सो यू कैन इवन वेयर इट एज अ नेकलेस और चोकर, हाउ एवर यू वॉन्ट टू वेयर इट लाइक दैट. एंड दिस जस्ट इन ब्लैक कलर एज यू कैन सी, कॉइन सिल्वर मटीरियल. दिस वन वॉज प्राइस एट ₹100 विच आई थिंक इज़ ओके बिकॉज ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग साइट पर थोड़े से एक्सपेंसिव मिलते हैं एंड प्लस यू हैव टू पे द शिपिंग चार्जेस एज वेल, सो दिस इज द राइट डील. आई लव दैट मार्केट फॉर बाइंग क्यूट लिटिल accessories. I keep buying from there and I wear them in my videos and you guys keep asking me कि ये कहाँ से लिया, so I mostly buy all of my cute accessories from there. So I got pair of 3 scrunchies. Individual price is 10, so 10 each, ₹30. Love the colors. They had so many colors and print वाला भी था, but I picked basic plain वाले. Love them. Then I have this. These are just clips. Looks like nails, but no, these are clips. Nice. These are glittery ones and बहुत ज़्यादा निकल रहा है, so let's keep it aside. ₹10 by the way, the whole pack. You're welcome. Then I got one clutcher. What is this? Go. Anyway, I got a clutcher because these kind of things you will find very easily in these kind of local markets and you can get hands on so many of them. Like they have so many different varieties, but I just got one for myself. ₹10, yes. And then I have this gorgeous pretty hairband. This is like metallic sheen happening. These kind of headbands I've seen in West Side, Pantaloons and these kind of retail stores, and those are obviously expensive, and this one was priced at only ₹50. Love it. Like party outfits के साथ कितना अच्छा जाने वाला है as an hair accessory, है ना? अरे आज आपने हमारा सेटअप नहीं देखा. I also got these 2 mini plants from there, 50 each, so 100 together. Love them. They had so many varieties, like they had cherry blossom, cherries and so many other plants. But I just picked these ones for myself. I love the color, looks so fresh, and yeah, you can just place them anywhere and your setup is ready. Cha-ching! Okay guys, so now I want to clear everything for you guys. Okay, so the first thing is this market happens only on Friday because it is a weekly market, weekly local market. So it's a Friday market which happens at Keshavpuram. So you can reach there by metro. You just have to get down at Keshavpuram metro station. You can leave from any exit like gate number 2, 1, anywhere, and just take a rickshaw and just tell them that you have to go to Friday market and they'll just drop you there. That is it. It's way simple to reach there. Also the timings are 4 PM in evening, but I would say कि go at 5 because तब तक पूरी market लग जाती है अच्छे से, so you can shop just like I did. And always keep change with you, not big notes like 500 या 2000 के notes मत रखना because it's very difficult to get them changed. Next is do not bargain because वहाँ पे bargain possible नहीं हो पाती considering the prices are already low and they always have, like most of them already have fixed prices written on their stalls. So yeah, just don't bargain and keep yourself safe. Okay. Also, if you have any other questions regarding this market or anything, just ask me and I will answer to you guys. And I had so much fun visiting this market after so long actually, because I have been shopping from here since I was a little kid actually, and this actually helped me start, you can say, my career in fashion, YouTube, social media, blogging, everything. Like I literally used to save some money from whatever internships I used to do that time, and thoda sa hata ke I used to shop from here and I would style these clothes, I would restyle these clothes. I still have so many clothes which I shopped maybe 5-7 years ago. They are still working fine for me. I'm so happy about it. And yeah, I just love the fact that I don't know, I'm just so happy. I can't explain it. But anyway, कैसी थी वीडियो? Let me know new episode of finally Unpopular Market series. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to explore any other markets. I would do that for you happily, very happily. I love shopping. Anyway, like and subscribe. Oh, also 200k. Oh my god, how can I forget that? Oh my god, can you believe it? 200k. It's huge. You guys are crazy, but I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for making it possible. We are not stopping anywhere. जल्दी से million करना है, but अभी 300k करते हैं. But anyway, you get the hint, right? So yeah, bye. I love you. Thank you. Bye.